The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700 505 7728, 8794 250646.
The Khun Nyotrap National Awakening Movement (KNAM) on the 11th of July 2024 has expressed strong dissatisfaction with Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma's recent statement downplaying the need for work permits for migrant labourers in the state. According to KNAM President Thomas Pasa, the Chief Minister's statement is misleading and contradicts the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act 2020, which requires all migrant labourers to register and obtain work permits to work in the state. Pasa highlighted the low registration rate among migrant labourers and criticized the government for filing FIRs against pressure groups and organizations working to prevent illegal entries into the state of Meghalaya. Meanwhile, KNAM members inspected the Meghalaya Transport Corporation or MTC labourers, finding many without registration cards or work permits.
Pi ida kalian ka jongi ka seng hi ngira iyo ya ka information baka ni ka construction hang ni po MTC barang ya mentah. Ki babun hi kide ki migrant worker ki banabar. Don kontraktor bla iyo itu kam bat haka jing yo information ka jongi la ai sub kontrak ru. Te haka jing tip ubang yo lomba ki babun kini kinoktre hang tu bala bu kide banabar kide migrant worker. Kabalong kim dan ru ya kataka registration card ma ngira pan work permit ru. Tekani registration card katkum ka workman establish katkum ka anjong ka sarkar Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act RJR Arpau kani ka act kapalong mandatory ya ki migrant worker bakin day bandon ni ka registration card te katkum information bingila yo ngila ai kani ka jing tips po sadar police station kang bakin le ka badan kam baleng ngile kam ne menar menen ngi iya statement jong UCM ba uang ba kiseng kimpen bor ban lek khandra ban iwat tena kaliang ko jongi ngisim ba kani ka jingkran jong u CM kalong kum ka jingkhang ba ban pli war sundon bakin kini kinok trai banabar kinwan lut chene ka jala ka jongi haka jing sha de ban appreciate iseng balang de ban appreciate ya kino kinuru ki bayarap lang ya kana yakam ban khanglat ya kino ki bapen ken ya ki an ki bladon lupa here kene ka jingkran jong usiam menen ka pen pau ba usiam u persang ban penkela tripurano ya kene ka jelak bagi ki jongiru tena kalian ka jongi kumba usiam ulaong ngilawan asya ki bor ki break ngilawan ai ka jingtip ka jongi siapa police station ban na kalian nak ginpet pada ka iba na kalian jong ka police department dan na kalian ka sarkar kinle na kalian ka jong ka police department mentan ka untuk kin saya le ban kam kisli le ji kanra kin le check tengi khmit inti ka babai but ginpet budin pada kini kini sneaky banwan ka jingmi na kani ka jingwan ai jong thok ka jong ni po sadar PS
te kat kung ka statement bala ICM men lu ang baya kata ka work permit kalang kabam dan kam ma te kai kata nakalyang jong PK yan man ang halor kanya
UCM menen hi ula mislead khendiat ya ki pajba babon balang kani kam the Meghalaya Identification, Registration of Migrant Workers Act RJR Arpau kapelong mandatory bakini ki workers kiri bandon ni kata registration card kamu ngilaru ban ang kata work permit tol nangim khot ka ta ka wak pa mengin ka registration card unu migrant worker buan bala pok stil jong udai ban don ni kania card kat tung ka an mendai ba mono ru ban lada kim don ka jing trei ka jong ki hang de kolong persya ya ki kendon ki bala don lupa kat kum kania ka an te kalong bi ang ke te kini ki bru kim la ban yang de tor responsibility jong kadai jong ka kontraktor bon dei ban register gini but finna pay statistics ka department ka beri pay ya kani ka labor department kita ki beri kilene kita ki migrant worker ki bala register but ka labor department ki duna palan ki duna ba kumba kalong hi in practical ma practically kalong bang ngi tiplut ba ki nong belang ni ki one bed ki bela bed ki lej bed umdon ba page umdon ba perking umdon ba register kamdon kendon bante eki kadai kata ka ba ngiap ngis yo khia na kaliang ka jongi but hakati siang ikmi lenti ba UCM un persang ban yakini bon bela bangin register gidi bondon ki kot gisla ki biang nomor ki katkum kene ka an pi katkum kene ka an ki don ki condition ro ki don ki condition ki balik sing ngihap ban page benya swa bangin ay yakini ki registration card kidai ni em kita kiba karta kaba duna khat trasnem kidon em kata ka jumut perkat ka babait lani kiri medical ki mentally unfit ma kidai ni em bala sya convict sabar ne hang ne kini condition kiba bun syaban ai ya kane ka registration card te ka jing bam don jong kinong bala banabar ya kane ka registration card kiba tere keleng saudong jong ka jela ka jongi kapan pau bangi compromise kini ki kendon ki bala don lupa ka ai te manu ban kit khiai kini lada le ki sing bhalang mlong nyong le ma ai ka sarkar kan le ru kam le te manu kin ban le ikini kam te na kaleng ka jongi ngi pen pau ya ga jing song diau ba UCM un pen tlot bor lene upenduk mensiem ya ki seng lene kini ki rusimet ki ba don kata ka jing sokhia ban penbet penba penmiat ya ka imlang salang ka jongi suang ne ka jela ka jongi bat ka baar pada ka benta kalong hakalor ka ILP ka ba usiam la akren menen pi kada ka basai gade gane ba ngimpat yo ya ka ILP wat hadin ka jing pas ya ka unanimous resolution dak ying dorbar thawan ka jongi nadu arjar khat khandai kadai ka jing bamla jong usiam ban convince ya ka central government ka jongi bat ngin pen pauru bahau arjar khat khandai la wengno ya kentien kasistit nak preamble jonga BFR khat praspat ni pulai bat ka sarkar pedeng kala weng ya kentien kasistit da ka jing menjur jong CM ujongi da ka jing tiplem jong CM ujongi tu utau ju CM uba don ktilang ban weng ya kane kentien kasistit kabala don nadu khat praspat ni pulai haka BFR menta upun pau le men le show pai ba mdei kamdon shu akhti ka jongi kana akhti jo ka central lada kadon ka jing so don ka jing simkhya jong CM ngila dei ban yo nadu menno hare hang ka jing bam yo ka jongi ka ILP kadai bai ka jing bam simkhya jong UCM jong ki party ki ba rule yang ka sarkar ka jongi omdon chu da ka wei ka lenti bangin kran